Mama wakwaba wafreme Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo empenifo kansen bi se insuwo hoi etaye apontrene a ode wo ne santi no ende his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo Ghana yeman pani insu ataro na waje wo sesi no wa ma oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama reply a ochre se ensem bi wo ho na oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama eka na se wembua na ebeya na dwen se ensem a oka no saa na ete enso na enti saa enti ende his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo wajiga a waka na dwen ede acha oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama na ebusuafo ensem ben na Ghana yeman pani his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo ede atudwa Nese moke yina ne se Ghana ni bia unim a 2024 obekwa akoto aba akosa line atu aba ede amoman pani dada John Dramani Mahama no na se biu wadwen no enye papa esese watchew na wohwehwe wadwen se bibia yo okay bibia yo all right adenti na wadwen na ye papa na obekwa akoto aba ede amoman pani dada John Dramani Mahama na ebusuafo denti ena his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo ajiga a okasa ensem nyina ensem no emu enchiremu ni enano ena oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama ede ensem bi ebetudwa a nensem oke nyina ne se eye Ghana yen judiciary no mechere court ene judges omo ho lawyers omo ho omo nyina eye NPP fo omo akoye politicians ene ende wo de wasem ekokota unyo bi na onke bi enfem maw and ONDC ni now the wasem kopie mu wo a obedi for because NPP fo nko a na egu na ebusuafo se wonte asem na omampanyin dada John Dramani Mahama ede abetudwa ne dia ene tie kakra.
When we have come out of elections and we have won, everybody wants to go into the executive. Our lawyers, please, I beg you, some of you must be prepared to go onto the bench. And I know that some have very lucrative legal practices. They don't want to leave those practices and go on the bench. But, I mean, you can see what the current president has done. He's appointed the biggest number of judges onto the bench. It's more than 80 towards 100 and counting. He's packed the courts. And we know that they've packed the courts because they want to avoid accountability after they have left office. And so all manner of people who are known to have been partisan, to have been executives of their party, who are in the legal profession, are being leapfrogged into the superior courts and other places. And so we must be prepared as NDC legal persons to also go onto the bench so that we can balance out, the judiciary. Currently, the judiciary is packed with NPP inclined judges because this government has carried out a deliberate policy of putting their people on the bench.
Ebusuafo ene ye na ya asuma ensem sei eno man pani dada John Dramani Mahama ede abetudwa na ewo sensemi mu ena Ghana Bar Association omo eye conference eno omo to ensa efre his excellency Ghana ye man pani Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo ena okopie mu ewo ho na ewo conference na se ena his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo eyi ensem oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama ede abetudwa afa judiciary de ho no ena his excellency ekire se ono ote democracy ase afenso Ghana yen constitution no ote ase inti no gidi se woye NPP ni o woye NDC ni o se NPP na wo power se NDC no e wo power ese se yi na ye come together ne ye adwuma se ne ebe ya oman no ebetumpon na ye se NPP fo wo so nti no sesa NDC fo nkwa ne omo aye adwuma dabi enye sanete ono obia onene eye adwuma nti ensem a oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama ede abetudwa no ne kware bia eni na sometimes osho man pani dada John Dramani Mahama ne kasem enane ne ya ensese wo ye Ghana ni badehia otaba ede emano na eno ena lawyer Xavier a oye PRO de Ghana Bar Association ede ensem bia betudwa e na o kire se eyampa se omo eye conference no otonsa anaso omo tonsa de for his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ampa no so bae no obeyi ensem a omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama de abeto ne so no obeyi ano na emom no se oka se Ghana ni bia abeto abade ama omanpenda da 2024 no wadwin me enda ho fan no ene de omanpeni his excellency wan kan ye na no ene ebeka se lawyer Xavier ye pacho wan kan ye sen his excellency an kan ye sen eba ne sen na Ghana ni a wadwin mu da 2024 beto abade ama omanpeni da John Dramani Mahama me ka se onye omanpeni da John Dramani Mahama oye me papa me wo fe bia nka me pe ka me pepa na emom no so omanpeni da be ye president na ye na ye hu amembu e course na Ghana ye na ye ndede ye so omanpeni da ye mpeni bill inti brebra amba ama ne mba wabedi ni president ewi onkotena se NDC fu yo be fufura why not ye pa ye beto ababa no but omanpeni da party lalai ye penaka ye anfa over 1 million votes into no inti ne nsema his excellency na Dankwa Akufo-Addo e kan wadwim da ho fan a nkokoto aba enfem omanpeni da John Dramani Mahama yenti ese ne nsem no esi ekoi.
Good morning lawyer Kuruje.
Morning, Pacho Design.
Who you now, sir?
I'm here to mean some here.
Meaning, sir, bar conference, a Koswa Nra. Yeti, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Kasa, Yeti, bar president, so Kasa Niade. Now, yes, Ghana Bar Association. You are not happy with a particular comment that was made by Omanpeni. Madam Roma, Asemno. Dear Pana, money you home, Padaroma.
Oh, me da say, I'm on penny by no, or Casafa fair, say, one president Mahama, or Casam so no, or appointing MPP judges, Uka, Yakura, any Gisa Samana, one penny dada, a kaina, and
no crack.
Oka, any problem, we are now, of course, to say, Sasamonunti 2024 election. Right thinking citizens shouldn't vote for President Mahama. Na also ekase sa eba scandal na ekosuno yabo Mr. Mahama din na up to now asem no yenye wie ye hu sa ade na oye no se obeye campaign ho na ye association no enye political platform they inviting us on their campaign. Nothing I see any game. And see, aspects, they are condemning, and yet they actually saw a cry or nearly. Meaning, so one can say, cry, or you and no pile don't say, I'm coming to a man cancer.
Now, meaning, sir, Omanpeni, money speech, definitely on first speech in Montino. Edus Tamaklo say, the bar conference intentionally created a platform for the president to attack Omanpeni Mahama. Did you more catch up on Tino? Do you think it is enough for any minds to be cleared to say, and yes, Anna Moye?
And yes, sir, because this is not the first time Omanpeni address here. Omanpeni Akufo-Addo or a lawyer, when he was in opposition or by a conference time there. Into a president, you inviting on one cousin, my design, as I said, my winning in Timba. Now, starting a president 2017 or Batindia. And he said, every year, Casa, any coins or Casa, because one cousin or he's a member of the association. The fact that they have identified themselves with the NDC doesn't mean that they are no longer part of the association. Oh, lawyer for the organ, a Kaba association, you say, yeah, Nipa 8 years, I get this. I am one association. Yeah, leaders kake. What I say, you know, lawyer be a nigga na only member of Ghana Association. And my politics and chichi more na a divide here. That wouldn't help us. And also your politicians so yes, Rome say invite you on be address here. Among focus on national issues, topical issues, and your campaign is on Mumbai.
In another breath, the bar president, lawyer Yabuafo, made a categorical statement, say the bar is not happy with the way and manner president is handling his ministers, CEOs, and government appointees when it comes to corruption allegations. I quite say honoma na statement about from the Jubilee House say nipa we ade oye ne ahwehwem onye from so ne ade. He was very emphatic about it, say it leaves much to be desired. And no more can say Omampeni so mu say did he accept it with a pinch of salt, because we have heard him say he's not a clearing agent.
Oh, you know, Omampeni or assignment BNT or no aggressive effect and or Fihansana. Mr. Yabwafo, reading his speech, you know, now someone paying the representatives or called the Mahu, and probably flash of more. Now, to begin with, you know, for Ghana Association President Yabwafo, Etimika said, any given send our handling corruption. That should send a signal that we are not